Everybody wants to become the best version of themselves, but what does this look like specifically for you? You see somebody online and you think she's confident, she wakes up early, she's productive, she's healthy, she's got all her ducks in a row, she's just got her life together. And then you think, I want to be the same. But here's the thing, the person that you're comparing yourself to looks different for every single one of us. So I might see her in different eyes than you do. And if you're chasing somebody else's version, you'll never get there. So completely drop the comparison and lean in to what your spirit is trying to tell you. Clearly, you can use others for inspiration, but try and capture that true essence of what you want, or else you're gonna have to start over again. And don't get me wrong, this version of yourself might change. It will evolve. So what you want for yourself today might not be the same a couple of weeks from now, because we're always evolving. But if we don't start moving, then we become stuck and frustrated. So let's become very specific on what that version of yourself looks like. Now let's go in here. Going into the classroom, first part of the Feminine Embodiment program, going into self-reflection. Here you make a copy of the Feminine Power Workbook, and then you have all these reflection questions. When do you feel most connected to who you really are? What parts of yourself have you been keeping small or hidden? Going through these self-reflection questions will really be an eye-opener. And the real magic happens when we start becoming her. Is the next and the most inspiring step. So most women have a vague feeling of who they want to become, but haven't actually defined her. And if you can't envision her clearly, then it's going to be hard to become her intentionally. So this isn't about copying somebody's routine, it's about creating and building a future version of yourself in your specific given circumstances. So detailed that you would know what to do in any given situation. So once you can see her clearly, then you can start making her choices, and that's how you become her.